Hello and welcome to Crystal Crafts with Dee. Today I have an unboxing for you from a company called DiamondXpres. I have done the diamond painting monthly subscription with them, so each month they send you out a diamond painting. You can choose your own image, you can get random images. I've gone for random because I kind of like to mix it up a little bit. And you can get small, medium, large, whatever size you want, rounds or squares. So I thought, well, look, I'm going to do this for something different. So just showing you, this is how it has come. Took about 14 days to get here to Australia. Comes in a box and your plastic covering like this with fragile on the top. And one of the things that I really like is just here it says right on the tag, diamond painting monthly subscription, medium size, 40 by 40 or 40 by 50 centimeter round. That's exactly what I ordered. So without further ado, let's get stuck into this and see what we got. So I thought I'd do this a little bit different. I tend to sort of buy animal images and that sort of thing. And I thought, you know what, I'm gonna mix it up. I like doing other ones, but it's funny when you look and see what you kind of buy. It's quite interesting. So anyway, get all that off. So there's your plastic. Okay, so you've got your box, DiamondXpres. It has gotten a bit squished, but this is actually really thick cardboard, so I know that the canvas is going to be okay in there. So you've got DiamondXpres in great big letters, and on the box there it's got your contact details, Instagram, Facebook, etc. And here we go. So for any questions or problems, it's got the contact details right there for you to call just in case you've got any issues. And it's got the contents as well. So let's go have a look and see what's in here. So there's your canvas and your drills. Looking all right. Oh, toolkit. Drills, canvas. Okay, nothing left in the box. Alright, so they're definitely rounds. Some interesting colors there. So you've got your toolkit. You got your drill tray. Got some nice tweezers there. You've got a drill pen and some wax, and you've got a multi-placer on the end of that pen there. Cute. Oh, let's have a look and see what I got. This is like so exciting. It's exciting getting a diamond painting anyway, but when you don't know what it is, it's even more exciting. Okay, so it's got this covering. Alright, so you've got their DiamondXpres name on your canvas there. Alright, so you've got your opaque covering. That's interesting. 35 colors. And you've got your little thumbnail up there. So, interestingly enough, this is my second diamond painting from them. This particular one I got 2 weeks ago, and they sent me squares instead of rounds. So I emailed them, and within 3 hours they had responded and shipped out a replacement diamond painting, which I think is excellent customer service. They were so quick about it and got it out right away. So very, very impressed. So what I will do is I'll put him, oopsie, off to the side. No, he's going to fall. And I will show you the one that they sent me in squares. That's the one I got. Square, so it's the same image. That's cool. And there's 34 colors. So that's your image, which I absolutely love. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I don't mind doing it in squares. I do like doing squares, but for this size, I kind of prefer rounds just because I'm very slow and squares take even longer. But anyway, so that's the square image. And I will zoom in and you can see there's 34 colors. No, oh, she's falling. So there's a thumbnail and there's 34 colors. Cool. If you wanted to have a look at that drill field, beautiful and clear. So I'll zoom you back out again. I'll move him over there. And we'll do our original unboxing. So that's interesting. The squares came with the clear cover and the rounds came with the opaque cover. That's interesting. Alright, so I'll pull this back. Oops. There we go. We're just lifting up a bit of the glue. So I'm just pulling that back. And what I'm going to do is check for any creases or bubbles or anything like that. Isn't it gorgeous? Gosh, I love it. Struggling. There we go, that was a bit of a struggle. Okay. Right, so there's the... Isn't it just gorgeous? I love it. So this one's called Heartstrings. And across the top it tells you their number, and it also tells you the size and RD for round. It has 35 colors and the square has 34, which is quite interesting. Because the grid does come up a bit differently, and they do use different number of squares. Drills, sorry. So there you go. That looks pretty cool. I'll bring you in, you can have a look at the drill field. So in we go. So that's really crystal clear. It's going to be awesome. So yeah, if I would have seen this on the website, I would have thought, gosh, that's really pretty. And I would have moved on and I probably would have bought something else. But I still love it. I just think it's awesome. That's why I'm doing the subscription. Because I want to do some different images. So we'll come on over to your symbol field, symbol key. So there you go, you've got your thumbnail and there's your symbol. So you've got your symbol and you've got your DMC color. And I'm not seeing any issues with those. They're beautiful and clear. You've got numbers and you've got letters and there's some symbols down the bottom. That's better. So that looks fantastic. So your symbol key, there's one on the top right hand corner and another one on the top left hand corner. So that's gorgeous. Alright, so zoom me back out again. Isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. I love that. That is gorgeous. So I'll just pop them over there. Now I'll just put the covering back on and we'll have a look at those drills. I'm all over the place with this unboxing, my apologies. But I can't really see any issues with the canvas, which is good. Alright, so our drills. So your drills come in this packet here. It is a resealable bag. Which is very handy. So in your kit, you've got an inventory sheet. So on your inventory sheet, it shows you the image, which I'll bring it up. So pretty. It's got all your drills there and how many bags, and they've already ticked it off, and then I go through and double check. And it's got instructions on how to do the diamond painting and what's included in the kit. So I do really like these inventory sheets. So I will go through that a little bit later on, but basically you've got your drills and it's got the DMC number on it and it's in your little bags there. So pretty easy to see what the heck you're getting. I'll get him out of the line. So the colors, you've got some pretty pinks. Nice pinks. When I was having a look at the square drills, they looked really good. I couldn't see any issues with them, so it'll be very interesting to do them up. I haven't done one of their diamond paintings before, much less say square. So it'll be pretty cool to see how it works out. Got some nice colors there. Pretty blue. Yeah, so you got some nice colors. And some vibrant yellow. Pretty pink. Blues, greens, oranges. So let's bring you a close-up of the drill. So they look really nice. Can't wait to do it. Alright, let's get these guys out of the way. So that is my heartstrings. Now, because I have a round and I have a square of the same image and the same size, I will of course be doing works in progress through the review on these guys. But I will also show a comparison video to see how this image looks like in rounds and how it looks like in squares. So that'll be really cool to see the difference on that one. So there you go, my heartstrings, my first in the monthly subscriptions. DiamondXpres, their communication and their customer service is outstanding. I can highly recommend them, and I'm looking forward to actually doing one of their diamond paintings and seeing how I go. I've heard very good things about their quality, so I'm quite excited to get stuck into these and see for myself. So there you go. That is my unboxing of my first monthly subscription medium 40 by 50 order, and I will be showing you more as I get them each month, and of course do a work in progress and review in a separate video later on. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time. Bye!